Hi, I'm Nitish. I joined Room in December 2014. My journey of 6 years at Room has been very great. Sandeep sir, he is a true leader. He is a very passionate and a very supportive person.
हाय माय नेम इज़ सुधांशु। 2015 में मैंने ड्रूम ज्वाइन किया था। तब हम एक सिंगल फ्लोर में ऑपरेट करते थे। आज हम मोर देन 300 एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं। ड्रूम को ग्रो होते हुए 6 साल में मैंने बहुत देखा है। संदीप सर के लिए मैं एक चीज़ बोलना चाहूँगा, जो कैलिबर उन्होंने मुझ में देखा, माइट भी वो मैंने खुद भी नहीं देखा था। उन्होंने मुझे एक बात बोली थी, भगवान के घर में देर है अंधेर नहीं, और आज उसके कारण मैं यहाँ तक।
It has been a great journey till now for me, both professionally and personally. Being part of a lot of business initiatives has given me a lot of learning opportunities while working with wonderful Droomers across various teams. And also it has been very joyful journey, full of parties, fun activities and a lot of other activities. So I thanks to first of all Sandeep sir and all the Droomers to make it happen.
Wide Room. Here we are trying to solve real consumer problems, and that's what makes Droom stand out from the crowd. I know Sandeep a little bit from Shopclues times, but got to know him more over here at Droom. As a founder, it's really important for a person to know what the product is all about and what we are trying to do as an organization. I think that's what makes Sandeep a great visionary, and also that's how we are able to build an organization which is growing much better compared to any other organization. And again, like I said, solving a problem that really matters to the consumers.
Having a founder this energetic helps us create an atmosphere which makes all of us, including myself, to perform better and push harder. At Droom, I especially love the work hard, party hard culture.
Droom is my first job and it has been a great experience. I've grown as a marketer having joined the marketing team. The best part about Droom is that you get to be involved in the strategy planning part of it and take it till execution. It has been a great experience working under the mentorship of Sandeep sir.
Since I have joined, two things really stood out for me, one for Droom and another for Sandeep. About Droom, a lot of Droomers bring a lot of infectious energy and make this place truly vibrant and a very nice place to work. About Sandeep, one thing is very inspiring personally for me is how he overcome different odds, whether personal or professional. He truly imbibes the spirit of fall again, rise again. And I'm sure that with all the energy that we bring on the table and the spirit that we have to fight against odds, will make 2021 really great for us, and many more years we will have one of the best company in this category.